Hi friends, I'm your well-wisher KS Chaudhary. Yes, here we will talk about that need. Need means जरूरत. अब यह वर्ब के साथ यूज करेंगे. मेरी चीजों को छूने की जरूरत नहीं है. Don't need touch my things. Right? Need not say anything about my family. मेरे परिवार के बारे में कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Need not play here. Need not play here. खेलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Need not play here because it is a classroom. So you need not play, right? Need not sing a song. गाना गाने की जरूरत नहीं है because singing program is not going on. Party is not going on. Party चल रही है क्या? So in a strict way we should, right? हाँ, अंदर आने की जरूरत नहीं है. Need not come inside. Need not come inside. Need not come inside. Right? हाँ, मेरे फोन को हाथ लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. रूडली बोले need not touch my phone. Right? Need not touch my phone. Right? In this way, आपको खाना बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need not to make food. Right? You need not to make food. हाँ, हंसने की जरूरत नहीं है मेरे पे. Need not laugh on me. Need not laugh on me. So it is very जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं. Okay? Need not take bath because you are already looking very nice. आपको तो नहाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need not to take bath. ऐसे बोलेंगे थोड़ा सा विनम्र हो गया. और डायरेक्ट बोले तो that time it will be tough. Need not say anything about this matter. Need not touch my things. Right? Need not touch my things. Need not say anything. Okay? Need not wash it. इसे धोने की जरूरत नहीं है. Need not wash it. Yeah. Need not wash it. Right. इस तरह से बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Need not talk like this. आप बोल सकते हैं. इस तरह से बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Need not talk like this. Need not talk like this. Need not talk like this. Right? Need not talk like this. Directly we can speak now. Whenever we directly speak now, need not touch my things. Need not do this work. Need not stay here. Right? Need not stay here. यहाँ रुकने की जरूरत नहीं है. Directly we are saying need not stay here. मुझे घूरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Need not stare me. Need not stare need not stare me. Right? You have no mother and sister at home, so you stare. Okay, need not stare me. Otherwise, I will give tight slap. Yeah, you can speak. I will give tight slap. So it is very nice topic. Need not. Right? Need not stare. Need not touch. Need not teach. राइट. यस. नीड नॉट वॉश. तुम्हें कोई मैसेज भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू नीड नॉट टू सेंड एनी मैसेज. ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. मैसेज भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है. नीड नॉट सेंड मैसेज. नीड नॉट सेंड मैसेज. right? Yes, need not make vegetable. So we can say that. Yes, so here we are talking about the negative way. Need not, right? Need not draw this picture, need not wash curtain, need not watch TV, need not play here, need not dance here because party is not going on. So need not dance here. So it is very nice topic. Need, yeah, need not play here, need not sing here. In this way, you can learn easily. Okay. Next video also will take from need. Okay. Yes. Okay. Bye.